Many will agree that cakes frosted in buttercream frosting are one of the best sweet treats you can eat. However, a common question arises for those who want to save cakes for later. Can you freeze buttercream-covered cakes? You can refrigerate a frosted cake for up to 2 weeks, however, some people want to store their cakes for longer. Luckily, the answer to this question is yes. However, there are some steps you need to take to ensure your cake is properly stored in the freezer. If it is stored correctly, you can safely freeze your cakes with buttercream frosting. Freezing your cake gives you the advantage of making it ahead of time, helping you save time. If you are planning to store a cake in the freezer, you want to make sure your cake is properly packaged. This will help you avoid freezer burn and allow your cake to stay as fresh as possible. To prepare your cake for freezing, you want to make sure that your cake has been fully cooled and frosted. Then you want to take your cake and place it in the freezer for 4 hours, or until it is completely frozen. After your frosted cake is fully frozen, remove it from the freezer. Wrap the cake in several layers of plastic wrap. You may also add an exterior layer of aluminum foil, but try to avoid using only aluminum foil, as it may cause freezer burn. After your cake is fully covered, place it back in the freezer. Allowing it to freeze uncovered first will prevent the plastic wrap from sticking to the frosting. Buttercream frosting often helps cakes stay moist when they are frozen. It is a good idea to label your cakes with the date you put it in the freezer. If you are planning to save the top tier of your wedding cake, you will want to freeze your cake as soon as possible after your wedding. Just like with other cakes, you will want to completely freeze it before covering it up. In addition to plastic wrap, you can also store your cake in an airtight container or a box. Though it is safe to store your cake for up to a year, it might have a slightly stale taste. Depending on the type of cake, some will hold up better than others. Once you decide to eat your cake, you will need to plan ahead to give it enough time to let it thaw. To properly let it thaw, place it in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. Then, if you are able to wait before devouring it, let it sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours. Transferring your buttercream frosted cake from the freezer to the fridge will safely let it thaw out. Placing it out of the fridge for 2 to 3 hours will allow it to reach room temperature. Buttercream frosting holds up well when being frozen on a cake. Buttercream is rich and sturdy, which is why it holds up well in the freezer. However, some cakes hold up better in the freezer than others. Dense, moist and rich cakes tend to hold up the best in the freezer. Cakes such as carrot cake, chocolate, white and almond hold up well due to their hardiness. Lighter cakes, like angel food cake, often do not freeze well. Certain fillings do not hold their texture well when frozen. Custard and fruit fillings often won't quite have the same texture as before they were frozen. As long as you properly store your cake, you can freeze it for up to a year. However, the less time it is in the freezer, the fresher it will be. Certain types of cakes may also not be able to hold up frozen that long. Freezing your buttercream frosted cakes is a great way to save time and plan ahead. It is easy and efficient, which saves you from stress. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.